video. Hello guys, today we're gonna be playing Animal Company, but this time we're gonna be getting 1 million money. Yeah. You all heard that right?
Yeah. Like he said, we're gonna get 1 million.
Uh-huh. Keep this backpack alive, right? Give me a rocket, please. I need a rocket.
Yeah, the rockets are in there. The rockets are in there.
Put them over here. I need one too. This one. Hey, dude, do not grab this one, okay? Do not grab this one. Do not grab this one. Do not grab this one. Do not grab this one.
I'm not gonna grab it.
Oh my God! We have 500,000.
I have 700,000.
700,000, bro. You're rich. Oh. No, there's one that falls. Can you grab it? Okay, should we sell? Should we sell?
No, wait. Yeah, you can sell. You can.
I'm gonna sell.
Wait.
I clicked one button.
Okay, now.
You do the rest.
Okay.
Oh, baby, we're rich. Yeah, but we're gonna be rich. Also, we're gonna be getting 1 million money, everybody. Yeah, we're gonna be getting 1 million.
And add 1K followers.
And may I please
Me
have
and him are gonna do
some subscribers?
tutorials.
Yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial how to do it, guys.
Yeah, at 30 likes, we're gonna do it.
Almost put me in there.
So you have to do this. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna try one. I want to try.
Hey, look how much money we got. I got 700,000.
We are rich. I'm just trying.
Ladies and gentlemen, look how much money I have. I know.
So this is the tutorial. We don't need 30 likes.
Anyways, so like guys, you see this button, this stash? Well, basically, you have to keep clicking the line, and then you go around here, you jump, then you don't have to jump actually, but then you go over here, you go here, and then you do the same thing like how we did before with the stash. We do it like this, then we click 9999, and then we go back to the other one, and as you see the other one, jump on and quickly jump off. Jump on, jump off. As may you see, I don't have no items, but then you can choose any items you want.
And if you see this Animal
And
Company,
just like that,
can you follow me? Because
You'll
I'm a
have
really
it.
big fan of this game.
take it out,
It's a really nice game.
take it out, put it in. And then keep doing it. If you want to stop, then stop. If you don't want to stop, then keep doing it. And that's how you do it.
But you need a back. Wait, I'm gonna keep one. If you want a back, you need it 4 ways.
And look how much backpacks we have stacked up,
Cinderella.
ladies and gentlemen. Hey, dude, keep this one alive, okay? Keep this one alive. Keep this one alive, bro. Hey, bro, keep this one here, okay? Don't grab it or anything.
And you're gonna get rid of it.
I need one. Yo, why is there any in here? Yo, can you give me a rocket? Can you give me a rocket, my guy?
Yeah, give me the bag. I'm just gonna bag and then keep it.
Oh, baby, we're actually rich. Guys, if this tutorial helped you, good job for listening to us. There we go. Put 2 bags. I put 2 bags.
I'm gonna just do the last bag real quick.
Where did I end up?
I don't want it.
Okay, there we go. And by the way, it's the lava gems. So if you guys want to put any, you guys can put any items, like even the crowbar. It'll give you a lot of money, actually. Yeah. But the other glitch, they patched it, guys. Please don't tell the owners, because don't tell them. Please don't tell them. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. If we get tell one, we're cooked. Fried chicken cooked. Oh my god, I keep ending up here. Oh my god. Slay girl. Slay girl. Wait. Let me put more backpacks in. Wait. What? Bruh. Okay, how much money? We got. I bet we got that much. Yay. Oh, you just duplicated yours. You just duplicated it. Okay, you're gonna have a lot of rockets now. You're gonna have a lot of rockets. Yep.
Yeah, we don't need any more.
I'm gonna put myself in there actually now. We're gonna be money rich, bro. We're gonna be money rich. I almost have 1 million. Do you have 1 million? Do you have 1 million, my guy?
No, I have 1 million. No.
I got the last bags.
93K.
I got the last bags. Oh my god, my ears are breaking. And to have. Come on. Okay.
I'm in 1 million, dude. Oh my god. I'm in 1 million.
He just reached 1 million. You guys, he just reached 1 million. Let it reach 1 million.
Okay. Wait,
No,
I'm
gonna reach it too. I'm gonna reach it too.
It's really hard, so.
Can you give me a rocket? Can you give me a rocket? Can you give me 1 rocket? Can you give me a rocket?
Why? Wait,
Just one.
yeah, here.
One. I need 1.
Yeah, wait, there's some, I need them.
Okay, wow, I just spawned too much. Guys, I spawned too much.
And if you did, just go back.
I'm gonna do the glitch again.
And then, yeah.
Ow.
I messed up.
Because I'm gonna get that much.
I messed up.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, I messed up, brother. Yeah, if you mess up, it's okay. It isn't the worst thing that can happen.
I can't grab these bags. Oh,
Bro, you just...
I forgot. I have to go back. I'm just gonna
Whoa. Oh. This is so glitched.
Jump on, jump off. Then you might have the backpack, but don't worry. We got it for you.
Don't worry. Oh my god. What?
I'm
You
take
can
out my
move.
charger. I'm gonna go more faster. What? As you can see, I'm redoing it. I'm redoing it. Gonna be pretty hard, but it's okay. The podcast at the same time. But this glitch is actually so OP, bro.
Oh my god, the game is glitching. It was glitching.
Oh my god, this game is actually glitching.
Yeah, wait, I'ma just go solo because...
Oh my god! Oh my god, this game is actually glitching. Yo, look how much backpacks we have, bro. Look how much backpacks we have, guys.
And you can
Guys,
just
hey dude, keep this one over here, okay? Keep this one over here. Keep this one not destroyed, okay? Keep that one not destroyed. One over here. Some over here.
I think this one has some.
Yeah,
This one has the rocket.
No, I fall! I'm gonna get some. Wait, no! Oh my god, I'm gonna get a lot of money. I'm gonna get 1 million. Ladies and gentlemen, I got 1 million.
We did it!
We all got 1 million.
Yeah, wait. Get to...
Guys, we actually got 1 million. We actually got 1 million, bro. Oh my god, we're gonna be rich, bro. We're gonna be selling some rich.
This was the video. And I hope you have a nice day.
Guys, you better trust us because we're actually trustful guys. my eardrums are exploding. And today, I'm gonna be stopping recording. Bye bye, guys.